West Elm who? Yeah, they were selling it for $150. Yeah, no. Hey my Nikki Charmers, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're doing a DIY West Elm inspired floating shelf in my bathroom. So I currently have a towel rack above my toilet, which I hate, and wanted to cover it, so this is the perfect DIY. Let's get into it. All items will be linked in the description box below. To hang this floating shelf, I'm going to use some wall hooks. This is how it looks. It's like Velcro and then the sticky part on the back. just hook it with the wall hooks. They are not as sturdy as I thought it would be, but it's holding up for now. I may switch it over to probably nails or another sturdier wall hook eventually, but it's holding up for now. So this was actually supposed to be painted like I was gonna spackle over it, so it kind of looks more ceramic-y, but I actually just glued down my dowels and did my DIY, and I actually like the natural wood, and I think it blends in perfect with my walls, so I think I'm gonna leave it this color, which I love. Now you know that's a good DIY project if you love it even before the finished results. Here's my after result with the actual wall hooks. And that's a wrap for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and it was very informative to you. Comment below if you have any questions. Now that fall is officially here, there'll be more DIYs and full decor, so you want to stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, be blessed, guys. Mwah.